back to the channel. Today we are headed out to Wengerd Performance to pick up Alex's car. Now if you caught last week's video, when I went out to Dover's, we took Alex's car up to Wengerd Performance to be dropped off for Daryle tune. Well, Daryle has got that tune done and I'm going to check it out today. Dover is also coming up to pick the car up, and he is dropping off his car, Philip. Now Philip is a white fox. I've had it in the videos before, but it's been a while back, so I'll kind of bring you up to speed on it. Philip is a white fox that Dover built, and it is his first Coyote swap. Now it had a truck Coyote engine, and he recently got a 14 Mustang engine, so he swapped the truck engine out for a Mustang engine and changed the rear end gears and is taking it out to Daryle for him to tune that car. So guys, we're headed out there now, and we'll see you there. Out at Wengerd Performance, Daryle's shop, and as you see, Alex's car is right there. But guys, I wanted to show y'all this. This is a GT350 with 4,000 miles on it, and Daryle is installing a Vortex supercharger kit onto it. This thing is gonna move. He is currently waiting on a couple parts. The owner is gonna bring him to finish the install, and then he will be tuning it. The system that the owner got is the 4 triple pump fuel system. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. I need this fuel system for my car. This fuel system and E85 with injectors in my car, and we are rolling. He actually has the injectors I need too. So, but guys, this car is going to be sick. Alright guys, in case you were wondering, Daryle does not only do Mustang, he does all kind of vehicles. Nissans, Chevrolet. He's got a Corvette right here that he is working on right now, putting the engine in. It's getting a YSI. So he's working on that right now, waiting on parts on it also. Daryle's going to tell us a little bit about this engine we got sitting here.
This one, he had a stock LS3 in it, and actually came from another shop that we think it had some fueling issues or some tune issues, and it actually threw a rod out the side. This here is a LSX 440 cubic inch. It's rated at about 1,500 horsepower. It's got rods in it, pistons, all the upgrades, head studs. It should be good up to 1,500 horsepower. Not that we're going to push it there, but probably around 900 to 1,000 is where we'll start at.
Man, 900,000 and the vet is going to move. But guys, maybe I'll be able to get down here when he gets this thing back together and get a little video on it for you guys. We'll see how it goes, but it is going to be sick. Here's the engine that came out of that Corvette, and as you can see,
you can see the rod here. It's broken off. It actually slung through the side right here. But this is all that's left on that cylinder. It's just the main bearing.
He got the vented block mod. Unfortunately, thing that Daryle's been working on. Twin turbo F-150. That thing is gonna be nasty.
It's not your average EcoBoost. It's your 5.0 this time.
Is he gonna get EcoBoost emblems?
I told him he should do it. Just when they hear a blow off valve, they don't expect it to be a boosted.
Yeah. He needs to put EcoBoost on the side. That way, that's gonna flip people out.
Yep.
But guys, this is gonna be a fun one too. Just your average looking truck. Yeah, if he puts EcoBoost emblems on, that would be insane. Arrived finally. I'm not the late one, they're the late ones. Hey, y'all guys are late. I was early. I'm always late.
How's that, man? I told him, I said, it's about 45 minutes from my house. You're late, but look.
All right. Caleb was checking out the twin turbo F-150. What do you think about that?
I mean, it's an EcoBoost.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
That's
It's
how
just an
Ford should have
EcoBoost.
built the EcoBoost.
Yeah, that's it. That's just an EcoBoost.
I just like to watch the little turbo just kind of spin, you know, it's like...
And guys, this is Daryl's brother's car. He's in the work of, I think he's going to try to get a Whipple put on it. And of course, you got Philip, that I was talking to you about earlier in the video, guys. He's got it out here. Dover brought it out for Daryl to work his magic on and get it tuned. Start.
Oh, yeah.
Dial down.
Yeah, she's good to go.
Dude, that is a night and day difference when we drop it off.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely amazing. Alex, what do you think, dude? That's crazy.
He said it flat out moves down the track, or down the road. I said, trying to say track. I haven't been to the track yet. I'm used to me. But he's,
I guarantee it.
what, that? He did. He said you might want to tweak it to your standards, but he said he got it moved out of the way where it doesn't rub.
Real. She's just purring like a kitten, y'all. Yeah, like it's supposed to go in there, right?
That is so clean.
It is. Alright. Got it updated. Let's make one more update too. But Alex, Alex, are you gonna send it? Not gonna send it?
I got to go home.
I got you. Okay.
Granny.
Here we go.
10 and 2. Seats don't go back, bud.
Boy, that thing is moving. Took it for a test drive. We're loading it up on the trailer to take it back to Dover's. And then Dover's gonna get his white coupe tune.
No. Stand on it.
What did you think?
It's got it now.
It's got
What it's
it.
supposed to be.
Yes, sir. Huge shout out to Daryl with Wengerd Performance again for doing an awesome job on tuning. Guys, if you have a Coyote and you are in the West Tennessee area, or if not, give him a shout. Link it in the description. There's his phone number. Please do not spam him with phone calls. But guys, appreciate it, Daryl. All right, guys. So one thing I was going to point out is that the other day I was in the car. It's getting a little cooler. Air's getting better, and I noticed around 7,000 I was hitting what felt like a little limiter, like the throttle body coming on and off real quick. And got with Daryl and told him about it. He said bring the car up and we will get it fixed. So we took it out, dialogued it, and I was actually hitting the airflow limiter. So what he done is he raised that limiter so I wouldn't hit that limiter, and we took it down the road and it pulled all the way to 7,400, beautiful and perfect. We got it with 100% wrapped up now. The transmission is hitting, everything is perfect with the car. And But guys, that's the beautiful thing about having a tuner close by is that I can go, if I have a little hiccup with the tune, and we can figure out whether it's a tune related or it's something to do with the car. Because that's the first thing me and him talked about was that, well, it's ran great so far, but it is getting a lot colder now, and the air is getting better, and you will see a little bit of extra boost up, and especially when you're running past 7,000 RPM, the Roush has their tune shifts you out around 6,800, so you never see past 7,000. So we was hitting that with the cooler air, the better air. We was seeing that little airflow limiter come in and kind of play with me a little bit, but we got that adjusted, and this thing is flat out moving in this cool air, and I can't wait to get it back to the track in cold air. But guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We've got Alex's car loaded up. Dover's car is here for tuning. We'll probably pick that up next weekend. We've got my car ironed out. It is ready to go. And we've showed you some of the stuff he's got going on in his shop. And guys, he's got his car loaded up. He's headed to Import Alliance in Bowling Green, go take care of some business down there. We're gonna head back to Dover's, but that video will be the next video out. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.